there, YouTubers. I hope you guys can see me. I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties today. Like, I'm trying to make sure you can see my face, but I don't know. It's like the camera is the way it always is. I don't know what's going on with that. But hold on. Alright, because her phone is very loud on top of TV. Oh, crap. Crap. This is really irking my nerves today. Really is. Okay, there we go. That is 100% better. Alright, today we have sausage, cucumber, and rice, and I have made a little thing of beloved sauce to go with it. So let's get started. Oh, and I have grape soda to drink. Kind of nervous because I have not tried this yet, but I've seen everybody eating it and I've been wanting to try it. So I'm just gonna try the sausage and the cucumber first before I try it with the sauce. Just not bad. It's kind of refreshing. Excuse me. Now, I'm gonna try it with the beloved sauce. Like, this is the homemade beloved sauce, by the way, not the packaged shit everybody's buying. Oh, I got a big piece of onion. I break these onions up. Excuse me. Yeah, I think that. Dang, I'm still getting huge pieces of onion. Dip the cucumber into the sauce. So I made some sauce. Not a real big pot, but usually I was just making it to eat with this. But I got some left and I'm gonna put it into a container so my sister can try it because she has not had this sauce. So I want her to try it for the first time. I think I made it better this time around. Last time around, it wasn't spicy at all. And this time, it's a little bit spicy, but I didn't add as much. I didn't add a whole. I added red peppers, but I just didn't hold a whole lot. I think the last time I added a lot of I added a lot of something. This time I added water to it. Last time I did it, I could have made it more like thicker. Well, a thick sauce is just not. Hi,
Mama. I eat that.
excuse me. It's not as You know what? I lost my train of thought. Wait, some out. For a while. I cook my cucumbers up kind of huge. I don't know if. Yep, I ran out of onions. I don't know if I brought enough out. I might have to go back and get some more. I don't know. I wanted to make some egg. I'm gonna just pour it all over here. Rice. I wanted to make some eggs to go with some boiled eggs. I kind of wish I had well, I don't kind of wish. I wish I had some corn on the cob. Oh my gosh. I love corn on the cob. Okay, anyway. When I come on cucumber, I don't really like to skim, even though I know that's where all the nutrients and stuff come from. I wanted to get the full experience. Ha ha ha. I'm glad I didn't have to cook rice because I had leftover rice in there. Made it so much simpler. With nice milking When I was making the sauce, no, it's sausages. Excuse me. I started thinking about this sauce. No, not the sauce. Barbecue place back at home. And I'm pretty sure a lot of barbecue places do it, but I love their sausages. You know, they cook the barbecue sauce on there, and I kept thinking about that, and I was like, nah, I got the sauce, so I'm gonna cook, you know, put barbecue sauce and then go back and have the little sauce, even though they probably wouldn't be bad. What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all have a good night. For the past 3 nights. Imani been having night terrors. And she just wakes up and she's crying. And can't stop her from crying no matter what I do. I try waking her up. And I'm telling you, like, she'll seem like she would be calm. She'll probably fall asleep for maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and then she'll wake up and she'll start doing it again. She got up, went to the bathroom, everything, and I thought she was awake, but she still wasn't. As soon as she got in bed, she started crying and stuff all over again. Calling the lights, same thing. Telling you, if it happens, if it keeps happening, I'm thinking I'm gonna just make her a doctor's appointment and see what's going on. Even though they say there ain't nothing they can really do about it, but you know.
Mama, eat. I'm hungry.
What you wanna eat?
I'm like eating milk.
Your milk right there.
Milk on my milk.
Your milk right there, baby. She ate. Most of the time when she says she's hungry, she just really wants something sweet. Or, like she said, some milk. I want to take a nap so bad. But she's up. Even though she needs to take a nap, I don't know what she will. Even though they said taking a nap will help her. And she don't really like taking naps. And I don't know. One hard, I think I'm gonna sit because like my chest hurt. My throat not sore, but you know that feeling that you have just before it gets sore. Like I'm gonna be, yeah. Finally. Oh crap. That was pretty good. Excuse me. Alright. I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I gotta go. Once you're trying.